as my first step, I'm applying my primer. And this is how my skin looks after the primer. This is the product that I use for my eyebrows. So I'm gonna fill out my eyebrow and get the shape I want. Today I'm doing quite a bit of a heavy eye makeup, so I'm doing my eye makeup first. I'm using this concealer to cover all my dark circles around my eyes and to get the proper shape for my eyebrows and give it a good blend. This is the James Charles eyeshadow palette. I'm using this purple shade for my crease and for my outer corner. Then I'm using yellow shade for my inner corner and blend it out. Also for my lid area, I'm using a pink color. And these are the colors that I use. Purple, yellow and the pink. To highlight my eyebrows, I'm using the yellow shade, the same shade that I use for my inner corners. For my lower lash line, I'm using the pink shade, which I used for my lid area, and the black shade. For my waterline, I'm using a white liner. I'm using the same concealer I use for my eyes to cover my pigmentation and dark areas. When you apply the concealer as well, make sure that you spread it and blend it out so the colors get balanced. This is the foundation that I use, and I'm extremely sorry, this is not the way you have to apply the foundation. I know the quantity, the amount that I need to apply to my face, so I just applied it that way. Just apply some dots and then blend it out. I'm using a lighter concealer for my highlights. These are the places that I want to highlight in my face. And the places you highlight is different person to person. And make sure you take your time and blend everything. Now I'm doing my nose cut. You need to start the line from the place where your eyebrow starts. For this I'm using a contouring palette. I'm using a brown shade from the palette. You guys can also use a brown shade from my eyeshadow palette. And I'm also going to blend it out. As a setting powder, I'm using the Miss Rose D4 setting powder. I'm using it to the both sides of my nose as well, for my nose cut as well. And if you want to do a heavy makeup look, Miss Rose D4 is like one of the best, I can say, because it has a shimmer in the powder. This is the contouring powder that I was talking about. I'm going to apply for the sides of my forehead, for my cheekbone, and for my jawline. You can also use a dark foundation as well if you want, and if you do the jawline properly, you can hide double chin if you have it. This is the blush that I use. To get more sharpness for my nose, I'm applying some shimmers to my nose. I'm using a brown lip liner, and this is one of my favorites, forever favorites actually. You can use this liner for any any makeup, any makeup look. I'm using this pink shade as my lipstick. Now I'm using the lip gloss and blend it out with that brush, and I brought this from Superdrugs. I'm done, guys. Let me show you guys my final look. This is my final look, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like and comment and give your feedback, and also click the bell icon. Thank you.